In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add an adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and from here we have our workspace. You just simply need to navigate into the effects button right here, which is this one. You want to click on that, and then this menu should appear. Now in here is that you want to select a toolbox, so click on that, and then now you want to go here into the search bar. And then you just simply want to click on search, and then you'd now be able to type in right here, adjustment. So you just simply need the adjustment clip. So basically this is the adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve. So just simply drag it into your timeline just like so, position where you'd want to position it, and then you can freely adjust the length however short or long you'd want it to be. Now let's add a sample effect to see if it works. I'm going to go here into effects again, right here in this menu. Now I'm going to go into open effects, and I'm just going to go for blur this time. And then, for example, I'm going to go for mosaic blur. So I'm going to go and drag it into my adjustment clip, go into my inspector right here on the top right, and then I'm just going to increase the blur right there just so that we would be able to see the blur happening on the adjustment layer, and make sure our playhead is on the adjustment layer just so that we could see the effect right here. And as you can see, it is now blurred, and then you can now position your adjustment layer anywhere you'd want, and as you can see, it is now working. And that is how you'd be able to add an adjustment layer in DaVinci Resolve. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.